You better start it. My thing loud. This a wide body? Got them. Oh, it's a shaker. Yo, this clean as hell. Yo, look at the wheels. Eric, I thought you would like Dodge. You a tall dude. I'm surprised you. I mean, you got the caravan. Wait. Yo, I'm about to say why these wheels look pushing in so much. They say it's a wide body. Are these 275s? Dude, this car got 245s, yo, on a wide body. What the hell? Y'all see this shit? Yo, this car, dude, this wide body got 245s on it. I know it wouldn't trip with the 305 stick. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. 53,000 with 244. What the hell they got? Yo. This shaker got 245s on a wide body, bro. Yeah, you right, them wheels probably got stolen. Boy, oh boy. I knew something was off. I'm looking at it like, what the hell going on here? This car look like he got COVID or some shit. It still look good though, but them 305s got a Mustang. Ooh. I'm outside, y'all. I just want to show y'all this 2020. Oh, it's you? It's scat. You better crank it up. Let's see how the wide body sound, man. They got the dynamics and the plus package on it. You better start it. With somebody interested in buying it. Look at them big 305s, man. Man, them scat packs sound nasty, bro. It's 6'4". That's a 20. I'm gonna show y'all some of the cars they got out front. With that TRX here, man. That Rhythm Jeep Dodge Ram. If you interested in that TRX, comment I'm interested, and I'll tell my salesman, and I get your contact information so we can get you in it. We got a lot of cars out here, man. Check my videos, make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna be uploading a lot at the lot, man. So if you interested, man, all women, come get one, man. Come get one of these cars for they gone. Nice. But yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Appreciate y'all for watching. It's a Gladiator. Man, them Gladiators is expensive, man. 54 grand. Sheesh. Daytona. But yeah, I'm just waiting on my car to get out of service to get an oil change. But appreciate y'all for supporting the channel. Thank y'all for watching. And that's gonna be the end of this video. Delivering my RT Charger.